This week, a new HIV prevention drug called Yeztugo made headlines across the world. It's made by Gilead Sciences, and the US FDA has just approved it as the first ever HIV PrEP injection given only twice a year. That's right, just 2 shots every 6 months to prevent HIV. Yeztugo is approved for adults and teens who weigh at least 35 kilograms, and in clinical trials, it was found to be 99.9% effective at stopping new HIV infections. In fact, it performed even better than daily oral PrEP drugs like Truvada. Doctors say this new injection could help many people who struggle with daily pills, especially in areas with high HIV risk. But here is the twist. In the United States, Yeztugo will cost over $28,000 per year. That's more than 102 million Ugandan shillings. And Ugandans didn't hold back online. One person posted, "I can't release all that money just for an HIV drug. If I die, I die." Another added, "As long as Ulinzi condoms are still free, we'll overlook the 102 million." UNAIDS boss Winnie Byanyima also criticized the pricing, saying, "The drug could cost just $25 a year, but Gilead is charging over 1,000 times. That means millions of poor girls and young women in Africa won't get this life-saving protection. That's not acceptable." Right now, Gilead has no plans to launch Yeztugo directly in low-income countries. Instead, they've signed agreements with 6 pharmaceutical companies to make generic versions. These generic alternatives could be sold in 120 countries, including Uganda, at prices between $35 and $46 a year, or even $25 if production is scaled up. And according to reports, Uganda is set to receive 10,000 doses of Yeztugo by 2026, based on strong results from clinical trials held right here in Uganda. The drug showed 100% effectiveness among adolescent girls and young women. But even with the science in place, there are concerns. How will this drug reach the right people? Will it be affordable? Will it be used safely? Dr. Isaac Kagolo, who spoke to Science Television Network, raised another concern. Yes, this vaccine will protect against HIV, but people may become more careless sexually. We might see rises in other STIs like hepatitis B or even an increase in gender based violence. So, education must go hand in hand with the rollout. In the end, Yeztugo is a medical breakthrough, but for Uganda and other African countries, access and awareness will decide whether this is a true turning point in the fight against HIV or just another drug that's out of reach for those who need it most. For Science Television Network, I am Shafiq Butanda. Please do subscribe for more science content.